Daytona International Speedway, American Motors shows its new muscle. Rambler American outruns every car in its class, wins in acceleration, one of 3 events in Class 6 1966 Pure Oil Performance Trials. Wins with the newest, biggest, most powerful standard engine in its class. NASCAR officials supervise every step. Test equipment is attached for the acceleration run. The driver buckles himself in, gets ready, and they're off. Once up the track, foot to the floor. Once back again, and Rambler wins. The nearest competitor took almost 4 seconds longer to accelerate from 25 to 70 miles per hour. Rambler American, powerful, economical, and still the lowest list-priced car made in America. Rambler American at your American Motors Rambler dealer. American Motors, where quality is built in, not added on.